Okay, so I want to do a quick review of yesterday, 31st July. Yeah, I think 30th. Sorry, 30th July, Tuesday. The what happened on AUDUSD. So my bias is basically on the daily time frame. As I say, you guys, before you start any trading day, before you come into the London session looking for any setup, you can start from the weekly or start from the daily. Try to know your bias. So as you can see, it was before this candle formed around here. So you see my bias, this one has already gone down, so my bias was basically bearish. Like I wanted to take out this low, I wanted price to take out this low formed on Monday, because if you see there's liquidity here, there is some liquidity here again, so I can just mark it out. Those are like where my targets. Liquidity down here, this liquidity, if you go to the weekly time frame, sorry, that was where I was supposed to start from. You see, there was a big bearish candle on the last week, so this week we're expecting price to even take out the previous week low, so and go to maybe to this other block. Then if price is actually bullish, we can see some rejection from this other block, but basically let's not worry about that for now. So basically that's what I was just looking at, taking our previous week low, which was here. So this is the previous week low. Price was here before all this one formed. So let's go down again. Let me just go down to the 5 minutes. So but basically you're supposed to go from the from the daily, go to the 4 hour, then go to the 1 hour. Try to frame your structure. So basically this, I'm just going to start it from here before London session started. So this is in New York time. Asian session is from 7 p.m. till 12 a.m. New York time. That's UTC -4 on your trading view. Make sure to mark it out. So don't make this video very quick basically. So I usually mark out the open 12 a.m. open like this, so I know where the manipulation, if price goes above this 12 a.m. price, that's our manipulation. Then we know that we're looking for a shift in market structure. Then we look for sales in New York in London session. So you see this Asian session high, which is our liquidity point. We wait we're in London session now, which starts from 2 a.m., which is 7 a.m. Nigerian time. So I usually like to come and look for my setup around 8 o'clock, even though it starts by 7, because 7 o'clock the manipulation usually is just kind of like starting. Manipulation is just starting. So basically we see this, you see that okay, these are liquidity points. It's accumulated. That's our accumulation. Manipulation, price took out this high. Then I will usually just come and I'll be waiting for price to do a shift in market structure by taking out maybe this low as my shift in market structure. So I'll just wait for price to take out that low. So price take out the low, what do I wait for? What do I use for an entry? You see, I can use this other block for an entry, or I can see multiple fair value gaps here. Can see there are gaps, one fair value gap there, another fair value gap there. So I can just use my Fibonacci tool from the high to the low. I mark out the 50%. You can see the 50% is at the other block, 50% is also at the New York at the 12 a.m. opening price. So everything just lines up. So I just wait. I put my entry at the opening price. I put my entry at the other block to also at the 50%, 0.5 of the fib level. You can see price just then I tap me in already perfectly. Targets our liquidity points below here, so we can just aim for this liquidity instead of aiming for the previous week low. But if you want to swing trade it, you can aim for that previous week low that we marked out. But this Asian session low is okay, because if you check, you see that it's more than 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, because our stop loss will be above this high. Then you can see this already 2.8, so anything you are risking, you'll be getting times 2.8. So you see price delivered rather excellently. So that'll be all for the day. That's just like I'll just wrap it up for the day instead of coming to New York session, which starts 8:30 New York time. You can change it to Nigerian time. You can see London session was just, even New York session was consolidating basically. So I'll just take that straight for the day, and that will just be all. You can see the daily candle, the daily formation has already formed, because it has already formed the accumulation, manipulated, distributed down, and now it's going back, retracing back up for the close of the day. So you can see it retraced, consolidated, it has now closed for the day. So today is a new day again. I'm looking forward to lower prices again. So this Asian session has a large range, so there might not be lots of movement in London session. You can see this London session, there's not a lot of movement, but basically I'll still be looking for sells. Okay, this is the opening price. So we have our manipulation, we have our, I can come and mark this 12 a.m. price here, then price have manipulated upwards. It has done a shift in market structure, a rather small one. So I'm looking for entries around here for a sell, taking price lower to this points down here, which is the previous week low we marked out. So that's what, just a small analysis I wanted to make concerning this price movements. If you want like a stronger confirmation, although that you can use the Fibonacci, enter here and sell down to here, but if you want a stronger confirmation, you can wait for price to break out this low retrace, then you enter taking price down here.